How to get an auto insurance quote on Progressive Insurance. Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are providing you with a simple step-by-step guide whether you want to do it minutes online or by the application or the app by the phone. So let's get started. So you can just go over and have these things ready such as your driver info, vehicle details, driving history, current insurance info, and address where the car is parked overnight. After that, you can head over to the application or go to progressive.com and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And once we do so, we can click on auto, this option right here. And we can find this section right here. First of all, enter the zip code, etc. Just go over and enter it up. And your home, condo, renters, etc. And click on this option called get a quote. After that, we just need to enter the basic details such as a first name, provided a, the middle name, the last name, and your suffix. After that, click on your date of birth and type in your date of birth and your primary email address and click on continue. Now I just need to progress to the form step by step. You need to enter all of the necessary details they will be asking for. And final screen will show you your estimated premium. You can adjust the coverage limits and deductibles to see the price changes live. And if not that, you can even directly go ahead and call the Progressive support, and you can quote by phone as well. You can directly look out for that option of phone number here and quote it and tell them your location or your zip code and your vehicle details and your driving history, and they will walk you through and give up a price. And that way also you can directly go ahead and get an auto insurance quote on Progressive Insurance. And that's it everybody. You may follow that method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.